Hello everyone. Today we will learn about how to create map using ArcMap. So our first step will be how to add data in ArcMap. Go to this tab. This is Add Data tool. Click here and then select your destination folder from where you want to add your data. Then if you don't have your destination folder, then click on this connect to folder and then you can connect to your destination folder. So we can see here I connect my folder from here. Then I want to add a shapefile from here. This is my shapefile of district boundary of Rajasthan. Our next step will be give a symbology to the layer. So right click on this layer, go to property, then here many tabs, go to symbology, and from here we can give the symbology to our layer. So select the value field, right, and then apply, then OK. So in this way symbology is created, symbology is given for the district boundary of Rajasthan. Next step will be right click on the layer, then go to properties and then change the display the labels. So click on the labels and then label feature in this layer. And then from this label field select the field which we want to label. So we can change the font size from here. We can change the text symbol color from here and then apply. OK. So in this way we can see here our shapefile is properly labeled as well as symbology are given. So next step will be how to create map. Go to this layout view and then we can drag it and set according to our need. Okay. So next step will be to add all elements, all map elements. To create any map layout, we have to add map elements. So our map elements include these may be scale bar, north arrow, title, legend, etc. Right? So first of all, add scale bar. Go to insert tab and then from here we can add all the map elements. So first one is the scale bar. Click on the scale bar and from here select the scale which we want to add. These scales I add this scale, and then I add this scale, and then okay. You can drag this scale from here to here at the bottom. This is the right place for scale, right? And then next step is north arrow. So go to insert tab, and from here add a north arrow. North arrow, click on north arrow, and we can select any north arrow from all these. So I select this north arrow for my map, click here, then okay, right? And we can drag it from here to at the place, right place. This is the right place for north arrow, right? And next one is title. So go to insert, and then next, add next map element as a title. So click here, and here a dialog box will open. What title would you like to give your map? So here we can give the name of the title. For example, I want to give the name of the title as a district boundary map. Okay. And we can change the font size by just double click on the title, and then from here we can change the font size. From here, this is change symbol. Can change the font size from here. We can change the color also. Okay, right? Go to this change symbol. I use this bold. Then okay, right? So this is the district boundary map of Rajasthan, right? So what will be our next step? Next step will be insert legend, because here only a single legend. So our next step is how to add legend to our map. So go to insert tab, and from here click on legend. Then next, from here we can change the legend title of font properties. Then next, 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 finish. You can see here many legends are there because we already give the symbology to our layer, so the legends appear in this way, right? So our next step is, after adding this legend, right click on the legend to convert into graphics. Right click on the legend to convert it into graphics. So convert to graphics, and then you can see here these are converted into a graphics, right? Then again right click and then ungroup. This is the map layout toolbox. Here you can see this is the map layout toolbox. This is map layout toolbox, right? We can zoom the map from here using this tool, zoom, and then here this is Rajasthan district boundary, and then this is the legend. So if I want to give the district boundary as a only a whole a boundary, right click here and ungroup. Then you can select separately both of them and name it as district boundary. So you can change the name from here, district boundary of Rajasthan. Okay. Okay. Now we can change the symbology from here. Right click and ungroup, and then we can change the symbology from here. For example, I give the symbology as black color, and then from here 0.8, right? And then OK, then apply, then OK, right? As I want this and this as a design, then select both and then right click, then group again, right? And then this is our design. So select this design as well as this district boundary, and then drag it in our map. So I drag it in our map like this, right? So this is the step how to create map layout. And then this is unwanted designs which we can select and delete. process is going on. Right. So in this way we create a map layout for district boundary of Rajasthan. Right. So what will be our next step? Our next step will be add neat line. Neat line means this frame line. Okay. So we can add a neat line from here. Click on add a neat line to the layout. We can add any neat line from to the layout as this, and then we can select anything which we want as like this, then okay. So in this way we can add a neat line for the map, right? So what will be our next step? Our next step will be insert a scale text. So insert scale text. Click on scale text, and then from here we can select any scale text, right? For example, our map is on 1:250,000. For example, our map is on this scale, and if we want to add the scale text, then click on the scale text and select the text. This may be in meter, feet, miles, yards, or kilometers, etc. Or in this way. Then okay. And then you can see it from here. This is our scale text. Right? It can vary according to our map scale. You can change the size of it like this, right? So next step is data frame property. So right click on the map and go to property like this. Go to property, and then we can change the grid. We can use a grid. Go to data frame, grid, right? And then click on this grid tab, and then new grid. Click on new grid, and then here which do you want to create? So which do you want to create? Graticule, and here which do you want to create? Graticule divides map by uh, meridians and parallels, or measured grids, or this referenced grid. So click on next, right? Label only, appearance, label only, trick marks and labels, or graticules and labels. So label only will show, right, will be display like this. Tick marks and label will be display like this, and graticules and label will be display like this, right? Or we can change the interval from here as longitude, maybe we can change, and then next, and from here we can change this line style, and then next, and then finish, and then apply. Okay. Then here you can see this is our grid style. And if we want to change this grid style, then select it and right click, then go to properties, and then from here go to properties. Do not show line tricks or show as a grid lines. Here this is the axis. For example, I want to show it from as left and right only, right? Then apply here, and then okay, then okay. You can see here only in right and left. In this way you can change the style of the grid also. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching.